Right, so in the previous video, we saw how to make the class here that is creating a colored random walk. If you haven't watched that video, take a look at that one first. But I forgot to mention one thing, which is how do you pass arguments in your class. So for example, if you run this, we can see that this guy is starting nearly at the same place and then randomly walking. But what if you want the two ellipses to start at different points on your canvas? To do that, you have to pass the arguments in your class, and this is how we do it. In the constructor of your class, you give the parameters here. So you say my x and y will be provided by the w1 and w2. So you put x and y here, and in this dot x you say equal to x. This dot y you say equal to y. And for both of them to start at a different place, you go up here where you define, let's do w1 and w2. Maybe we missed that. It worked. But let's do w1, w2. And in here, you give the position where you want it to start. So for example, if you want the first ellipse to start here, and the second ellipse say at the bottom somewhere, so 100, on the y-axis you want it to go down a little bit, so you say 100 and 400, and they'll start in the same line but at different heights. So let's see, if I run this, look at that, you should be able to see that the both are starting at a different position, and this happens because you pass the parameters here, or the arguments here, which you define in the constructor. So once again, I missed this in the last video. To pass arguments, you will have to use the constructor here, which will help you pass the position or where you want the guys to start to do a random walk. All right, that's enough for this video. Any questions you can put below, and we are working towards creating a physics engine. Let me stop recording.